The Mobilizer. It makes leveling and repositioning gondolas safe and simple. With the Mobilizer system, you can reconfigure your floor plan, move your gondolas for enhanced floor cleaning, and level your gondolas with full access to the levelers. The Easy Glide levelers simplify the leveling process and provide remarkable mobility for gondola movement. Now you're ready to build your gondola right on top, knowing it's already level. It's that easy. Insert the special Mobilizer hook into the strategically located slots and your gondola is ready to be moved. When you want longer runs, simply attach add-on Mobilizer units to the starter base and build a longer assembly. The Mobilizer works with all Specialty Store Services gondolas. With the Mobilizer system, you can pull your gondolas from the ends as well as from the sides. Due to its unique design and utility, the Mobilizer is patent pending.